Installing MessageSender is easy. One thing to remember is that it has to be installed on a local hard drive of your server or host PC, not on a network or external drive. Download the MessageSender setup program and then run it. Follow along as we install MessageSender. Once MessageSender has been installed, there are some setup things that need to be done. If you leave this option checked when clicking the Finish button, you will be taken to a web page that takes you through setting up MessageSender. If you have any problems, please reach out to support.